Well, so we have a train here at Willis. I believe it is the one that I promised you all in the last video, but I will know if it's about a mile or two long. Also known as, I mean, about a mile, exactly like 1 mile or like 2 miles long. Come here, Danny. No, we know so in the group. You know in the group.
Oh, in the group.
G-R-O-U-P.
Yes, I can spell it.
That's right.
That's right. I went to school, folks. I did go to school. I did not go to Porter.
Oh, never mind about that comment.
Never mind. We'll talk about school later. We have a train coming.
You told me he was a mile.
Well, he was. He isn't anymore.
About a quarter now?
Yes, he's right there now. You can tell he's getting close.
Oh yes, what?
What? He must be barreling.
Why?
Because he was way off.
UP, yep.
Right here, right in your face. Coming to you live from downtown Willis.
And that might be Wyatt McCartney over there filming from his vehicle. No, wait, he's got a little car.
Oh, that's right. Sorry, Wyatt. It wasn't you. If you're watching this video.
So, yep.
Wow, that's the long train.
So, yep, I was right. I promised you all in the last video. Say it. Automax, yes.
What?
Automax, yes.
Automax. Way
better than truck frames.
No, they're not. Are we going to have a GPU all right?
No. Has it been a mile long yet or no?
Oh, yeah, I just this is a long train.
3 engines on 121. You never see 3 engines on 121.
You never know, you're right. Dad's going to tell you something.
Right here at Sunset, folks.
Yeah, right at Sunset, folks.
It's a little after 9 o'clock. And Sunset is at 9.
Sun right here, yeah,
Is that signal green on the other side? No. Has it been 2 miles long already?
Oh, it's getting very close. We need Christopher Duba on the case.
Seriously?
Seriously, he's going to need to count these cars.
Or this Curtis Possum.
Yes.
Say it, Curtis Possum or...
Yeah, Curtis Boswell.
Curtis Possum or Christopher Duba.
Yes, or Christopher Duba.
Has it been 2 miles long already?
Oh man, I'm thinking so. It's gotta be. There it is, a blank. Wow. Wow, that was a long train. Anybody behind me, Donovan?
Well, do you have it? NS 121 at about 2 miles long. It was the one that I promised you all in the last video. If I was He did. I can hear the daters at Bon Ton.
You can? Are they loud?
Not now. They just shut off. Anyway, okay, so that's it.